Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so search Discord app. You will see, click on Discord app. So Discord app is not working, so scroll down and click on storage and click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So after the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Discord not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.